Hey folks, MACT, and yeah, the last time we talked about this 2011 Ford Explorer, the engine was in it. Now the engine is out. As you can see, we've got it all taken apart here. Not me necessarily, Jeff. I would have loved to be involved in this, but Jeff has got it all tore apart, and man, so much I want to do, but not enough time, unfortunately, for this one. This project has to not be done with me, but Jeff did a lot of research and he was having a hard time doing certain things, so he went out and found a Ford remanufactured 6F55 or 50 transmission. I think it's a 50, and he bought that, and then he got this remanufactured engine. Like I said, he had to buy a few parts. One thing is they don't come with the tube down here for the water, so you had to order that. And then of course you can see that they have the head, the timing cover is new. And then if you look at the head is new, but the block has been reused. New oil supply for the filter, and again the head, and then of course the cover for the crankshaft is all new, but otherwise it's a reused block, and it even comes with a remanufactured sticker on it. That's right there, buddy. That's what they put on it when you get the remanufactured. Now, one thing we did discover, it didn't come with this timing cover or valve cover, and Jeff ordered it on eBay because they were back ordered and all this other stuff. He found it on eBay, so he's able to get this one. But he did also do a test, and he had a 3.5 that he ordered valve cover for a 3.5 F-150 that had a 3.5 NA in it, just like this, and the valve cover fit perfectly to this one. So yeah, if you have an F-150 with a 3.5 Duratec in it, the valve cover for the Edge, Explorer, and the F-150 are all interchangeable, which is really good. This one does have electric power steering, but that don't matter, even though we have the belt for it. The pulley and everything is set up the right way. But this is the old engine, and one thing that he has to do is got to do these sensors here, and of course we have these sensors that go in there. These are the cam position sensors. Going to get those installed, all the nuts and bolts and everything there. But the cam position sensors, yep, red marks the spot. Then we have the crank position sensor that has to be installed, and the flywheel, and then of course the timing cover has to be put on there, and that's that thing right there. If you don't put that on there, you're not going to get your Edge to start, or your Ford Explorer to start rather. So yeah, not using too much off of this old engine. Pretty much new sensors, new pipe, and you guys can actually see in there. I don't know if you can see, but if you look right there, there's the water pump. That's right, there's the vanes to the water pump right there. So something interesting to check out there. But yeah, Jeff's getting ready to put all this back together and start doing it. These valve covers and everything. Yeah, they fit different vehicles. F-150, Ford Explorer, and Ford Edge. 3.5 Duratec use the same valve cover, so keep that in mind. But overall, yeah, this whole system's being put in there. We got the block, as you can see, heads are new, block is old, remanufactured. Got the cover, yeah, got the nameplate there. Got a new oil filter mounting, new oil pan that goes with it, new crank cover and seal, and then of course timing cover is brand new. So it's all brand new going there, new flywheel, new bolt, everything that goes with that. All goes together. So getting there. Got a few parts here and there to do, and then we got all these parts here that you see laying there that are either going to be used or reused or not used, but there's a lot going with it. And again, $111 a piece for those coils, folks, so hang on to your old coils. New hoses, everything else that goes with that, along with gaskets and everything else. So stand by for more fun. Now anyway, we got these, of course, they're cast, and we're going to have to go ahead and deal with those. But yeah, again, we got all the parts there. He's putting everything together, and then again, here are some of the parts that have to be put back together, put back in there. Some is going to the trash. Others will be, of course, cleaned up and reused. And then the fan assembly and everything there in the front end. But there's a lot of different stuff that is all going there. But yes, a lot of parts and pieces, folks. A lot of things that can definitely be put back together in there. We got to have this here. He's going to order a new one of these because this is all crusty and he just doesn't think he's going to be able to get it out of there and salvage it. Got a new flex plate for it, torque converter, all that stuff has come in. So this engine is going to be married up to this transmission, and we're looking at a complete rebuild of this. We'll get it on the road, and so front suspension will be good, and this should help Misty out. Lady's name is Misty. Single mom, 3 kids, definitely appreciating the help. So yeah, if you guys ever wanted to help towards this project, by all means, you know what to do. Take and hit that fund button, and we can add that to the till to help pay for all this, because this is basically goodness out of the heart of Jeff and everything that's going in there. So we can also apply it towards this. But either way, yeah, it's all about helping. So if you guys feel you can help somebody, do it. Okay, no matter what, help them at all, as much as possible, and that's really what this is all about. And again, I'll keep you followed up. I think I'll be able to be more involved when we go to take and start mating all this up together. You might see me in a video for that, but we got a lot of work left to do, so we're going to keep doing it. But either way, remember, my feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day, and I want you all to have a great day. And Band of One's got some great music, and Mercy Girl always has something to say. So remember, like, subscribe, MACT Garage, and enjoy yourselves.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.